Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sammyloaded Concept once again, and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is actually going to be very interesting, and this is actually based for mostly Nigerian publishers who wish to monetize their web traffic and make their money in naira and get paid to their bank accounts. The most exciting part of this is that it's actually a weekly payment basis. Once you just meet the minimum withdrawal of just 2,000 naira, you get paid every Friday straight to your bank account. So, not taking too much time, this is my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell and put it to all so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And regardless, do not forget what I do. This is what I do: CPM marketing. I have CPM marketing, ads network review. We have make money online, crypto updates, how to online tutorials, and lots more which are still coming up that hasn't been published yet. So after you're done watching this video, I will advise you to watch this particular video right here for those who wish to earn in dollars using a CPM method whereby you get paid per 1,000 impression, and your ECPM. Everything is explained in this video and it will actually help you. So going into today's video, the platform I'm going to be talking about is Flowbase Ads. Flowbase Ads. Flowbase Ads is actually a Nigerian publisher and advertising ads networking company that pay you to monetize your website. And as an advertiser, you know what you do. You come onto their website and place an advert so that your banner or web link or anything you're trying to advertise can be viewed or visible on thousands of publishers on Flowbase Ads. Flowbazeads has a lot of features. They have three-level security, meaning they have a two-factor authentication which you can use to protect your account against hackers. Because that is all what's in Veil now. Hackers trying to get into people's accounts, but with a two-factor Google authentication, you can actually secure your account from hackers. They have multiple ad formats, and like I mentioned before, they have a tailored payment option, which currently is only bank transfer, local bank transfer for now, because it is a Nigerian ads network. So they pay in naira. So they are using the local bank transfer payment system. It's a self-serving platform. Also, they have a live support, live WhatsApp support that's always available for you anytime, any day you need help. They also have a push notification system, but that's not yet active yet. As you can see, you can see some few people that few websites that use flow based ads, and as you can see, some of these websites are actually top Nigerian websites. In the case of trendy hip hop, or trendy hip hop or popular music Nigerian ads sorry music websites that uploads music for people to download. We have News Online, Six Ninja, News Trend. Do Chase, the advertising company, actually use flow-based ads to run their adverts. That is very amazing. We also have WikiRise, a native Nigerian news blog magazine website, as you can see. Also, this is their address in case you want to visit them. And these are their ad formats. They have direct link, display banners, in-page push ads, native advertising, and pop under ads. And on this website, everything has been made available for you. As you can see, they have the everything has been explained, the ad format explained. They also have an advertiser guide and a publisher guide. But not going withstanding, I'm going to drop the URL to this platform in the video description. Make sure to check the video description when trying to sign up. So when you've clicked on the link from the video description, it's going to take you over to the registration page where you can either register as an advertiser or as a publisher. As you can see right here, you can either choose any of the two that you're trying to join. But as for me, I'm going to be a publisher on Flowbazeads. So what I'll do right here is I'll input my website URL, my blog URL, choose my website category out of the numerous categories they have. I'm actually under mostly into tech and business, good technology and computing. You can just grab your website description from Google. Just an example, just a short description. Your name must also be inputted, your email, your phone number in case of support, and I will advise you to choose either Telegram or WhatsApp. I'm using Facebook for mine. Make sure you read the terms of services, meaning their privacy policy. So here I'm going to include my Facebook profile URL. So in case maybe I want to get contacted for something, then verify the captcha and register an account. Here, I actually have an account, so there will be need for that. But let's just sign in. This is just one of my account that I used to, make an example of the website. So I'll be signing into my account now. Okay, very good. Signing in. As you can see, their website is very fast. And this is how their dashboard look like. Very understandable, as you can see right here. Like I said, they pay per impression using the CPM method, which is the cost per measure. That means they pay you based on your CPM. 1,000 impression, calculate your earnings per your CPM. And as you can see, I have a very low impression yesterday, but this month I had a total impression of 20,000 plus, and this was my revenue this month about 1,000 naira, and that's because I don't have lot of traffic or impression. But as for you, you can also use this and at least earn something instead of just making your blog dormant. And as you can see, so let me go under to the statistics level so you can understand how the earnings are actually calculated. Okay, no, before we go into that, let me show you how you can apply. Once you logged in into your dashboard, go on to the website panel as you can see here, or click on the menu if you are on mobile and click on website right here. Then you'll be able to apply. You applied, you submitted a website when signing in up. So you will be sent approval notification when your website has been approved, and you can also add other websites. Maybe you have other blogs you also wish to monetize. Just click on the create button, fill in the details as we filled on the registration form. Very simple. So they also have a referral program whereby you get paid 5% of the revenue of the particular publisher you refer. Let me say, for example, you refer about 1,000 publishers to Flowbase ads, and each of them earn about let me say 100,000 per month. You are getting 5%, which is 5,000, and 5,000 times about 1,000 is actually a huge amount of money. And they pay, like I said, they pay per week. Every Friday is actually their payment day. And they've paid over thousands and millions of naira right now, because I'm actually on their WhatsApp support group. And right here, they drop screenshots of payment to advertisers. And as you can, if you go on Facebook also and search for Flowbiz ads, you're actually going to see um, publishers screenshots and thanking you message like they found flow-based ads and they're happy with their ads earning. So going on, let me show you the statistics, web statistics, and how you can understand it. Okay, now it has already loaded. As you can see, they have a chart here for those who don't wish to really, go deep down into the statistics. You can just use the chart to understand it. For example, this day I had 2,000 impressions and I made a revenue of 43.5, meaning my CPM was in about, let me say, 20 something naira per 1,000 impressions. Just imagine having about 100,000 impressions per day and see how much you're going to be earning, making per day. Also, as you can see right here, these are the earnings. So going down, you understand it very, very well. This U impression means your impression generated by the ads displaying on your website, and this is your ECPM, like I explained. Just there was a day I actually got a very high CPM but a low traffic. Let me check the date range. I guess it was about last month. Very good. So as you can see here, my CPM was not up to my impression was not up to 1,000, so I couldn't earn really much, but at least I earned something. As you can see, I had a CPM of 20.785 and I had a total revenue of 43.50 naira. As you can see, other days there was this day I had a very high impression but a very, very low traffic. I had 357 ECPM, meaning if I just generated about 17,000 impressions, that will make me about 3,570 naira for that particular day. And as we all know, impressions and earnings, how they are calculated. 1,000 impression will give you what your CPM is here will determine your earnings. Just divide it by 1,000 and you're going to get your revenue. So that's all about flow-based ads. And here you can set your payment account details by going on to your profile here, and you can edit here. You just click on the update button right here, scroll down, and you can see where you can type in your payment. Like I said, the payment method is straight to your local bank account, and you can just type in your any account you want to use to withdraw and update your account. And once it is actually on the payment day, you go back to your account, which is cabinet right here. Cabinet also means your dashboard. Come under finance and click on payout. As you can see, the minimum payout is 2,000 naira and I have a total available balance of 1,000 naira. If you withdraw now, you're actually going to get paid the next Friday you make your withdrawal. You can make your withdrawal any day, but the payment date to all publishers is actually every Friday of the week. As you can see right here, you can withdraw. This is where you can withdraw your earnings. They also have a very vast support. You can open an online ticket or use their online chat method and chat with their support representative, or chat with one of their support representative via WhatsApp, which you can get on their website. Just go to their website and go under chat bots here. Then you'll be able to contact one of their WhatsApp representative on WhatsApp here. By clicking on this URL, you will be able to contact him via WhatsApp. So that's flow-based ad system for you. Make money and monetize your website. No matter how low your traffic is, at least you should be earning something, at least getting something, and not just wasting your web traffic and wasting your time. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'll be making more videos on how you can make more money online. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.